Hey guys, so I was planning on doing a step-by-step tutorial of Zendaya, but it turns out that the video is too long. It's way too long. So basically, what I did, like as usual, okay, I make a rectangle. The rectangle was about like 15 by 18, but this time I use each 1 centimeter instead of 2 centimeters. Okay, so I mark each 1 centimeter instead of two. The reason why is because I didn't want the drawing to be like oversized, like so big. I have like a really small size of table, yeah, for me to move around and stuff. It was a little bit difficult for me, as you guys can see. And as usual, guys, after I'm done with the sketch, okay, I was the grade, and then later on I add value. So I was planning on doing it, step by step for YouTube, for you guys who's following me on YouTube. But the thing is, and none of you might not willing to watch it because the video is about like 9 hours 11 minutes or something. I don't think you guys will be able to watch all that steps. So that's why I posted. I'm gonna post it, actually. I'm gonna post it on my Patreon. Okay, I'm gonna like separate it on in three versions. I'm going to separate it like by three parts. Like each part going to be like about 3 hours or something, and then I will post it on my Patreon. So if you're really interested in seeing me drawing Zendaya step by step, you should check out my Patreon page. If you're really interested in drawing Zendaya, this is where it's going to be. Okay. Yeah, so you guys know I always post step by step tutorial on my YouTube as well. That doesn't mean that you have to subscribe to me, because I always post step by step tutorials. In the meantime, let me know in the comment section below, because like I said, this is too long. Ain't nobody on YouTube gonna watch this like long ass video. So yeah, leave a comment about because I spent a lot of time, editing the time lapse. Even though I posted on time lapse, like it still take me time. Okay, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Okay, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Even though I post time lapse video, sometimes I also post step by step video. Okay, so definitely leave a comment, and yeah, and see you around. Okay.